This is a great smoothie for moving your bowels, and it's delicious. I'm gonna use 8 strawberries, which I washed, but I'm not going to take the stems off. The stems are full of nutrients, and you're not even gonna know it's in the smoothie, so leave them on. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of oats. 1 tablespoon of flax seed. 1 seeded date. I'm gonna use coconut water. It's pure coconut water, no sugar added for this, but you can use water, or if you want, you can use plant-based milk or milk. That's about a cup of coconut water. So let's blend this. I would drink this smoothie in the morning as a supplement to breakfast. Oh, that is good. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.